Hey guys, Gadget Man here with nothing but gadgets, and today I'm going to be showing you this BESGEER wireless smart otoscope. So 3, 2, 1, let's get at it. Alright guys, so this was sent to me by the BESGEER company for free to do this review, and that is exactly what I'm going to do. So the first thing we're going to do is break it out of the box. Okay, so we got the nice little wireless otoscope here, a little container with a bunch of little tips and tools in it here, a charging cable, some extra sanitized little ear wax removal tips, the manual, and a nice little carry bag here, okay? So this is a really cool device. My daughter is actually a doctor, and I recently was at her house, and she has one like this that she uses in her medical practice with children especially, so they're not afraid when she looks in her ear with an otoscope. She can show them inside the ear. They think it's really cool, and she uses it with patients. So this is a actual, real type medical device, which is very useful. So the first thing that we have to do is install an app on our phone, get this thing charged up, and let's see how it works. So you're going to need to download the Xiaoyi app from the Play Store or from the Apple App Store to be able to use this. So we'll go ahead and install that. Once installed, we'll open it up. Going to have to allow some permissions to use this. Okay. Now let's go ahead and turn the little camera on by holding that. So we see the light turns on here. Okay, now it's going to create its own little Wi-Fi network, so you're going to have to go to your settings on your phone, go to Wi-Fi, this is it right here, and we have logged on to the little app, the little camera here. Now let's go back to our app, and it's that easy to do. Let me get the reflection off the camera here so you can see it better. All right. Pointing it here at my finger. Put this piece of paper here. Turn it around here. There's the QR code. You can see that there. Okay, so it's working real good. Okay, so I took off the little tip so that we can see a little clearer. And guys, hold on to your stomachs. I hope you didn't have a big, heavy lunch, because you're about to see the inside of the Gadget Man's ear. So here we go, guys. No corn so far. How about some potatoes? It's a little hard to navigate this thing. Okay, there we go. There you go, guys. Eardrum right in there. Oh, wow. Pretty clean. I didn't expect that. Normally, my ears have a lot of wax in them. Oh, yuck. Oh, my gosh. Hiding up there in the corner. Oh, my gosh. Oh, yuck. Oh, my gosh. I need to clean my ears. I thought it was clean. Oh, wow. Sorry you guys had to see that. Now I need to get in there and clean that out. Oh, my gosh. Ugh. Okay. Well, it works real good, and if I needed to clean my ears right now, I could. Sorry about the disgustingness of it, but now the Gadget Man needs to go and get his ears cleaned out, or use this to clean it out. Anyways, it works. It does its job, and it does it really good. The camera is actually, pretty good. I mean, the quality as far as that little circle, very awesome. So I enjoy this little thing. I'm going to use it, get my ears clean. All right, guys, so it does what it says it's going to do. It does it well, and it's easy to use. Very simple. If you're interested in this product, I will throw a link to it in the description of the video. You can find that there. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, please like, subscribe, and comment. Until next time, this is the Gadget Man saying, I'll see you later.